naku, ito yung excited ako ha. Kanina pa itong mga line of apparel na ito, very much Filipino, pinya made. Malaman natin na detalye mula kay Elizabeth ng Nooks Unlimited Knitted Products. Tama, Elizabeth? Naku, Elizabeth, paano ba nag-umpisa ito? Bakit pinya ang napili ninyo?
Pinya kasi maraming pineapple sa Philippines.
Oo.
And then
Lapit ka dito, sweetheart. Oo.
maraming pinya sa Philippines. And then from there, we wanted something all Filipino.
Of course.
The knitwear kasi is an industry na medyo pababa.
Oo.
So we're looking at something na sana mapaahon ulit yung knitting industry.
Sa pamamagitan ninyo,
Na
no?
using the local fiber and
Oo.
then
So,
even the cotton is organic.
Ibig sabihin, itong mga ito, talagang may pinya sa loob. Bakit malambot?
Yes, because it's mixed with cotton. Meron din
okay.
siyang semi-organic cotton inside.
Oo.
So makikita nyo, it's still soft.
Soft kasi
Yes.
pagka pinya, ang alam ko ginagamit lang yung pinya sa barong.
Yes,
Pagka
yes,
nakasuot sa'yo, kala mo papel,
Yes,
cardboard,
yes.
'di ba?
Oo,
Matigas.
kaya-
Ito
yes.
malambot. Naku, ang mga disenyo ito ay nakasali pala sa Fashion Week.
We joined the Fashion Week
Oo.
through the help of Marlon Rivera
Oo,
and
si Marlon.
yes, and Embareto
Ay-
and Twinkle Ferrari.
Elizabeth, tayo daw nakapunta, unti-unti nang pumupunta sa ibang bansa.
Yes, we went to Bangkok with the help of Saitem, and then now we're targeting Japan and Europe.
Oo, kasi yung mga design nyo, no?
Yes.
And take note, ang ilan sa mga nakikita po ninyo ay talagang hand-woven,
Yes.
handmade,
Hand strip.
hand-strip, and everything hand.
Hand. Lahat
Kaya
hand.
mahal.
Hindi naman siya masyadong mahal. Kasi
Oo
po,
nga.
pag barong, normally our barong is 7,000 to 8,000.
Oo.
And then you wear it on special occasions.
Of course.
Pag eto naman, like you can wear it every day or meron mga beach cover-ups na pwedeng, and the price is around 800 to 1,500.
Reasonable for a knitted
Yes, yes,
product.
yes.
Thank you so much,
Thank you very
Elizabeth.
much.
Good luck sa inyo,
Thank you,
ha?
thank you,
Good
thank you.
luck talaga. Very original and I'm very proud of it. At isa pang negosyo po dito, yung glass product.